Welcome to obliga.com. Log in to your account on Obliga. After login, click on Voice Manager on left-hand menu option. Now, click on Live Recording. Now, Live Recorder will open on your screen. Click on Start Recording. A pop-up will be displayed on top. Click Allow. Click on it. Now start recording your voice. When it is completed, then click on Stop Recording. Check the audio preview now, and if it is okay, then click on Save to Server. Enter your recorded file name. Then press OK. A pop-up will be displayed on top. File successfully saved on server. Now, click on Send Call. Scroll down, check Voice File option. You can see now, your recorded file is uploaded under Voice File. Now, you can schedule voice calls with that audio anytime. Also, check your uploaded voice recording in Voice Files option. You can manage that recording anytime via this option. That's it. Now you have learned how to record voice on Obliga platform. Thanks for watching the video. Have a nice time.